cordless day. I'm doing some unboxing of my new gardening and grass cutting tools. Looking at the grass, it's nearly dead, so maybe the wrong time of year, but I bought the items, so let's have a look. Starting with a 20 volt hedge trimmer, all by Hyundai. Instruction manual, battery charger, .20 volt battery, very nice. Then the hedge trimmer. Cover. Yeah. Decent. Nice. I don't know if there's any charge, but we'll plug it in and see if it's got anything. Oh, a little bit. So, got a dead man on the top handle, and then hand trigger. So, yeah, I'm well pleased with that. Beautiful. Safety first. Always remove the battery when not in use, obviously. That battery will need a full charge, but we'll get that charged up. So that's first piece of equipment, number one.